Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python factorial program using functions, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a Python program to calculate the factorial of a number using functions. Factorial is the product of all positive integers up to a given number. We'll create a reusable function that takes an input parameter and returns the factorial of that number. Let's get started with the step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Understanding factorial. Before diving into the code, let's understand the concept of factorial. The factorial of a non-negative integer n is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. It is denoted by n. And is calculated as n equals n times n1 times n2 times 3 times 2 times 1. Step 2. Create a function to calculate factorial. Now, let's write a Python function to calculate the factorial. Open your favorite code editor and create a new Python file, example factorial.py. Start by defining the function as follows. This function is a recursive implementation, which is a common and straightforward way to calculate factorial. Step 3. Get user input and display result. Now, let's create a simple program that takes user input, calls the calculate_factorial function, and displays the result. Add the following code to your file. Step 4. Run the program. Save your file and run the Python script. Enter a non-negative integer when prompted, and the program will display the factorial of that number. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Python program to calculate the factorial of a number using functions. This tutorial covered the concept of factorial, the implementation of the factorial function, and a simple program to take user input and display the result. Feel free to explore and modify the code to enhance your understanding of Python functions and recursion. ChatGPT